Hello everyone, we are SOEASY. Today, we are introducing our trapezoidal roof dedicated product line, the Trapezoidal Solaris WAVE series. This series is specifically engineered for trapezoidal roofs and offers 4 different mounting solutions, flexibly accommodating a wide range of trapezoidal roof installation requirements. The 4 solutions feature distinct advantages, making it easy to select the most suitable option for your project. The 4 mounting solutions include L-foot kit, stable performance with easy installation; clamp kit, secure fixation with enhanced waterproofing; adjustable kit, adjustable tilt angles for higher energy yield; bolt kit, high structural stability for complex roof applications. Next, I will introduce the key advantages and features of each solution in detail. The first one is the L-foot kit, specially designed for metal roofs. Made of high-strength aluminum alloy, it has excellent corrosion resistance. Installation is very simple, just use hexagonal flange tapping screws to securely fix it to the metal roof. It is sturdy, durable, and easy to install, making it ideal for various metal roofs. Perfectly adapting to both residential and commercial buildings with stable and long-lasting performance. The second is the trapezoidal clamp kit. Through penetration-style installation, it ensures secure and stable fixation on trapezoidal corrugated roofs. It is easy to install and highly adaptable, making it suitable for various trapezoidal roofs. The clamp is structurally designed to align with trapezoidal corrugated roof profiles, providing firm and reliable roof engagement, easily handling both residential and commercial buildings. The third is the adjustable solar mounting kit. You can flexibly adjust the solar panel angle according to your geographical location to achieve optimal solar absorption and maximize energy output. Installation is also very simple. The pre-assembled design greatly reduces installation time and labor costs. After installation, the angle can be adjusted according to the sun's position to optimize power generation efficiency. It is suitable for various roof types, easily adapting to both flat and sloped roofs. The fourth option is the hanging bolt kit, developed specifically for complex roof structures. Featuring a double-threaded bolt design, it delivers exceptional stability and can easily accommodate uneven or sloped roofs. With fast installation, strong load-bearing performance, and high adaptability. Once installed, it is securely fixed to the roof, providing stable and reliable support for the photovoltaic system. It meets the demands of a wide range of complex rooftop solar installations and ensures long-term system reliability. This is an overview of SOEASY Trapezoidal Solaris WAVE series. Each solution offers distinct advantages and is designed for specific application scenarios. If you are looking for a solar mounting system that fits your project requirements, we invite you to consider our products. Get in touch with us today.